Kellyshaffner here. Welcome to my channel, guys. I have a ThredUp unboxing. Yes, it is another mystery box from ThredUp. I'm not even sure which box this is because I ordered several. They did offer a discount earlier in the month, so I took advantage of that discount. I ordered several boxes, and the reason I ordered these ThredUp mystery boxes is to stock my Poshmark closet. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I make videos all about women's clothing. Now I am an active Poshmark Posher. Is that what you call it? A reseller on Poshmark. I started selling on Poshmark, just selling out of my own closet. I have an abundance. My closet is just packed, filled with clothing that is mine, and I needed to purge some of that, so I listed it for sale on Poshmark. I had fabulous luck. Many of my friends donated or gave me clothes out of their closet, and I listed that, and I've just been having so much fun on Poshmark that I am looking for ways to expand my closet. The ThredUp mystery boxes have really been very helpful with that. So if you enjoy a mystery box unboxing, stick around. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Join me for a future video, and to my returning subscribers, thanks for showing up again. You are awesome. Okay, like I said, I'm not exactly sure which one it is, but look here. The invoice is conveniently, this box is still sealed, but here is the invoice. And this one is mixed tops, and I believe I ordered a size large. And the reason I ordered a size large rather than my size, a size medium, because you can order this box in specific sizes, is because I'm looking for size large on Poshmark. My closet has an abundance of size medium, my size, so I wanted a larger size. But I'm also thinking it's used clothing. It might have shrunk up a little bit, so hopefully there's some things in here that will fit me. What did I pay? Like I said, there was a 20% discount. I paid, oh, it says $60. I didn't pay $60. 20% off $60. What's that? Okay, it was $48 for this box, and let's see. Oh gosh, there's not even paper in this one. This box did come from Duluth, Georgia, which I've heard a rumor that you get the best stuff from Georgia. So let's see. Wow. Okay, oh. Okay, they're not even, they're just like bundled. This is Aeropostale. That is a crop top. What does it say? Freedom. So a t-shirt. That doesn't look like a size large. It says size large. So that's the first one. The next top is black. And this is an athletic wear. It is a size 12, 14, size large. I mean, everything should be size large in this. Now, okay, this looks like something I could wear. I'm sorry, I know it's blowing it out, but what are this? That's my only concern. Those armholes look really big, and this one does have a slit on the side. So, okay, that looks like a nice casual piece. This is Juicy Couture, and this is, oh, this one is new with tags. Fancy. So this is probably holiday appropriate because it has all of those sequins on it. Let's see the sleeve. So it's kind of a cap sleeve, or you know what I mean. There's no defined sleeve on it. So that's interesting. That's what the back looks like. Oh, it is a high-low. Looks like a bit of a high-low. Sorry, guys. I feel like I'm too close to the camera for this. The next top I recognize as a Target brand. This is Gilligan and O'Malley, and that is, if I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong, I think this is an intimates at Target. Is this a sleep shirt? If it is, it's super cute. This is a striped cotton. It feels like cotton. I'm guessing this is a sleep shirt because it's pretty long, and I know this is a Target brand. I mean, that would be a really, really long top, but it is thick enough you could wear it as a top. I believe this is pajamas. I'll take it. Okay, the next top is Petite Kim Rogers, and this is a petite large. So this is pretty. This is actually brown. I don't know, it might be coming in on camera. Oh, it looks like it might be stained. No, just needs to be washed. So it does have this inset, which is not a full tank, and then this beautiful floral around it. This is polyester and spandex. So it's got the cross front on it. Okay, there's more. There's more. I can't remember how many tops are supposed to be in here. I guess we'll count them and I'll let you know at the end. This is Liz Claiborne Weekend. And this feels like a thermal. I'm going to keep this. Oh, it's got thumb holes. I'm at least going to wear this, okay, because this is like my everyday attire right now. This is what I wear to walk my dog. So yeah, this is just a heather gray long sleeve, almost it's a thermal. So I'm happy to have this one. Okay, we've got some cactuses here. This reminds me of a piece that I tried. I think it was a Stitch Fix box, but this is by the brand Mine. Mine? Anyone ever heard of that? Mine? And it's navy, and it's a nice summer top. It's a popover. Looks like it has a pretty deep V. It does have a collar with a little ruffle, and the sleeves have a ruffle. So this one is really cute. But yeah, it's more summer or spring, I think. But I like the cactuses on that. Okay. It's just weird how they're all packed in here. This one is a cabbie, and this is a size large, and this one is a very, very sheer. But look how pretty the colors are on this one. So this would have to be worn with something underneath, a camisole at the very least, because you can see me, unless that's the look you're going for. But this one is really pretty. It's a true button up? Yeah, it buttons all the way up. So this one is really nice. Cabbie's a good brand. Let me see if I can get to these easier. Okay, tank tops. Wow. Ambiance apparel. So this is cute. I like the colors in this. This is a racerback tank, Ambiance apparel, which can be found at Ross, so I don't expect to get much for this. I did start a sale section in my closet for lower price things and items that just are not moving, so I'll put that tank top straight into that sale, like clearance section. This one is by Willie Smith, and this is a popover top. Guys, does this look like a top that I wear all the time? This one is, these are really pretty colors. This is kind of a green and cream and a burgundy color. It does, is that elastic? It does not have elastic, but it does have a button cuff on it, and it's a split neck. Yeah, this looks like a Kelly piece, so I'll wash this one up and try it on. Okay, this one is by Caribbean Joe Island Supply Company. So this one's funky. What do you think? I mean, this one's kind of cool. This one's like, I call these smock tops. This is what it looks like, that rounded neckline. It's got a really interesting lace-up neck detail, the neckline there. And this is a really thin cotton. It does have a brown band around the cuff there. And it doesn't look like it's going to be very long. But I like this one. It just, I don't know. I mean, the tag looks brand new. Maybe it's just the fabric is not real vibrant. So, okay. I don't know. I don't know the brand, so I'll have to look into that one. This one is Notations. And this is a polyester top, but it does have the texture to it. Can you see that? It's almost like an accordion texture to it. It's really pretty colors. It's got lavender, pink, black, cream color. Okay, so this one is similar to the other one. It's got the inset, and then it's got this little detail. So let me hold it up so you can see how it would be worn. Yeah, this one's kind of pretty. Really pretty. I'll try that one. Okay, another summer piece. And I don't see a tag. Oh, here's the tag. Oh, okay. Papaya. Now, I'm guessing the buttons go on the back because that's where the tag is. Is that open? Oh, okay. That's an open back. So it only buttons part way? Okay. And this is the front. Is that, okay, it looks almost like the flowers are in navy. And then this inset is, it's navy too. So, has an interesting hemline with more of that crochet detail. So this is a great piece for summer. I'm not familiar with the brand though, Papaya. Okay. It's another tank, and this is Mossimo. This is Target. So this was really super soft, and it does have that tie-up detail, the lacing on either side, but the sides are not open. I don't know. Is that going to be, let's see. Oh, so okay, that's going to show a little something something, your bra, or a cute bralette or something like that, because I thought I might keep this because it feels really soft, and I don't know, is it a good color for me? But yeah, the lacing on the sides, I don't like that. Not for me, I don't like it. Then this one is Talbot's Petite, and this is just a tank top, a black, what is the content? Because it feels stretchy. This is cotton modal and spandex. So this is a nice tank. The quality at Talbot's is really nice. I shop at Talbot's myself, but unfortunately this plain black tank top is not going to be like in big demand on Poshmark. So I will put this, if I don't keep it, I'll put it in my clearance sale. There's still more. There is still more in here. Let me see if I can get to the top of this. Okay, we have Old Navy, again with those really big armholes. So this is not a piece I would consider keeping. Look how pretty it is though. I love the bright colors. This is definitely a piece that will sell in the spring or the summertime, because this looks like a piece that you could actually wear over your bathing suit. So not really season appropriate, but I think I can sell it. Let's see, what is this? Dana Buckman, and this looks really too big for me. And a little bit of pilling on it, but this is really pretty. It's an orange textured top, and it's sleeveless, and it's got a nice scoop neck on it. So I like this top. I wish it was a little bit smaller. This is really a generous size large. And I mean, I think it's in decent condition. I just saw a little snag on the back, so I'll take care of that, and I'll list this one for sale. This one's calling my name. I hope you're great, because I like the colors on this one. This is Sonoma. This is Kohl's. And okay, so it has a bit of a drape neck feature with like a boat neck, long sleeve. There is a metallic threading in there. And so this one's pretty. It does have a banded waistband too, which isn't my favorite. I'm gonna try this one. I don't know though. I don't know. Okay, this looks like something to work out in. Who are you? This is Authentic Americana Heritage. Okay. Let me figure it out. That's the back. And that's the front. And it's kind of a black, space-dyed, feels like polyester, to be honest with you. I don't know. Would you wear this to the gym? I don't know. Okay. What's that? This is Elements with a Z. This feels like silk. Let me check. Or maybe it's polyester that's tricking me. This is polyester. Okay, this is a beautiful pink camisole tank, and it looks just like new. I like this. Look at it. It would match my jacket that I'm wearing. That keeps riding up. Sorry. Okay, the next piece is by Socialite. And okay, this is a Nordstrom brand, or this is also a Nordstrom Rack brand. So look at that. Isn't that a fabulous sleeve? And it's got the thin spaghetti straps on top, a V-neck, but I don't know. I might have to press this. As you can see there, I'm going to try pressing it because it looks like the seam is coming undone, but it's not. This is well loved, and it's really short. Look at that. That's a crop top. This is so much fun, though. I love the sleeves on this. Not too short for me. Another hot pink, and this is Champion. And this is just like is it a dry fit? I don't know if it's a dry fit or not, but it's just a little top to run in or wear to the gym. All hot pink. Next, we're getting close to the bottom. This is Dana Buchman. This is a size large. Dana Buchman has some really pretty pieces, really beautiful prints. Look at that, purple and green, and there's some aqua in it. Yeah, this one is lovely. And of course, so this is a split neck, knit buttons, sleeveless, polyester top. Okay, I like that. I'm going to save that one for last because it looks like it might be good. This one is Young Essence. And this one is completely sheer. It is stretchy. It's really kind of a cool color too. It's got like a teal look to it and black. So that's what it looks like. It's almost like it's lace. So this one's really interesting. What's the neckline? Yeah, everything looks good on the neckline. It's got a 3/4 sleeve. Looks like it's in decent shape. Okay. Okay, this is the one I thought, let me get rid of the box. This is the one, oh, I like this. Look at this. Who are you? This is Boston Proper. Oh, this is so pretty. So pretty. To wear under a blazer. Look at this. Let me see. This is a polyester top, I'm guessing. Let me see if I can find the tag. Cannot find the tag. This one is nylon polyester and elastane, and it has a built-in bra. Love that about this, that the bra is built into it. This one looks brand new. Okay, there's a dog hair, which everything needs to be washed. What do you think? This one is so beautiful, isn't it? Okay, I like this one. I like a lot of the pieces in this box. This rescue box filled with women's tops cost $60. Now, I picked it up on sale for $48. I'm so happy about that. I received 25 tops in this box, and so that brings the cost per top to $1.92. What did you think about the tops I received? Now, at $1.92 per piece, it seems like a great deal, but let's face it, I won't be able to sell all 25 pieces. I mean, that's my guess. I don't know that I will even list all 25 pieces. That being said, I think I will be able to sell over half of these pieces and recoup the cost of the box and make a profit. I mean, that's my hope, right? That's always my hope, but I do think that I'll wear some of the pieces before I list them in my Poshmark closet. I'm going to at least try them on. So I really want to wear this one. My husband's going to take me to dinner in this one. If it fits, if it looks good. And I will wear a blazer over it. That's kind of my plan. I think this is a really fabulous way to source for my Poshmark closet. We'll see. I will update you on my ThredUp sales. So far, I've had a lot of luck selling the items that I've received in these rescue boxes. I will have to wash everything and go through all of it with a fine-tooth comb and look for flaws. But at the very least, unboxing these ThredUp rescue boxes is like the highlight of my week. I really, really enjoy a surprise box. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed by now, please do that before you leave. I would love to see you again. I have more boxes. My stack is getting smaller. Yay. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you are a posher, if you have a Poshmark closet, leave it in the description below because I want to check out your closet. I want to follow you, and so do my viewers. So please be certain to do that. I will see you in the next video. Blessings to all of you.